Hi class, this is Daniyal Baig and I'm going to give you a brief description about the point-to-point tunneling protocol. So let's start with the introduction. PPTP was developed by Microsoft, which is a Microsoft proprietary designed for client-server connectivity. Point-to-point tunneling protocol is a network protocol used in the implementation of virtual private networks. It also provides authentication, encryption, and compression. It is one of the most commonly used protocol and have been used in earlier versions of Windows operating system. It also works at the data link layer and transmits over IP networks only. It is one of the second layer tunneling protocol and has many known security issues and not considered a very secure protocol to use because it encrypts data using a 128 bits of key. The main reason of it being considered a weak security protocol is that it utilizes 128-bit encryption keys, which is an outdated encryption method. It also uses firewalls like ISA Server, Cisco PIX, and SonicWall. So what is mean by PPTP VPN? PPTP VPN is a type of virtual private network that extends a private network across a public network. It is also defined as virtually private but physically public. So virtual private network also enables users to send and receive data across shared or public network as if their computing devices were directly connected to the private network. It also defined as to connect remote users or regional offices to a company's private internal network. So there are two types of VPN, the site-to-site VPN and the remote access VPN. So site-to-site VPN is a type of VPN connection that is created between two separate locations. It provides the ability to connect geographically separate locations or networks, usually over the public internet connection or a WAN connection. The other is remote access VPN that allows an individual user to connect to a private business network from a remote location using a laptop or a desktop computer connected to the internet. So what are the pros and cons for the PPTP? It is the most commonly used forms and personal tunneling purpose of protocol. It is also free of cost and open source, easy to handle and easy to maintain. It also encrypts data using 128 bits of key and also uses transport control protocol, which is a TCP, which allows for retransmission of lost data. The main benefit of this using this protocol is that it is computationally very fast and easy to handle and also uses e-authentication used for wireless and point-to-point connections. The conclusion is we can use different switching methods. Another protocol can be considered, like alternatives like we have L2TP inside of IPsec, SSTP or OpenVPN that provides better way for enhancing secure capabilities, integrity checking and data origin authentication, strong encryption and authentication. So thank you very much everyone. Have a good one.